Today we'll be working on an 8 by 10 inch canvas using acrylic paints in the colors black, white, red, and pink. Let's begin. We're going to start by dipping a round brush into pink paint and then painting an oval or egg shape onto our canvas. You'll want to paint the oval a little to the left so that you leave room for your balloon on the right. Your oval should start about 2 inches down from the top of your canvas and end about 1 inch up from the bottom. Leave the inside of your oval white for now, and then move on to the upper right area of your canvas. Here is where you're going to paint your heart balloon. So, refill your brush with some pink paint and paint on a heart, and then fill it in. Don't forget the little triangle at the bottom of the balloon. Next, we're going to paint on Pinky's face, but we need to look at the placement on our stencil. See how his face is heart-shaped? So take some more of that pink paint and add a big heart inside your oval. The heart should sit near the upper portion of Pinky's body, since it's his face. Next, I want you to fill in all the area outside of the face heart, but inside of the oval with pink paint. Make sure to smooth out the edges. Now grab a clean brush and load it with red paint, and then fill in the background of your canvas. Carefully paint around the oval and the heart balloon. You can also paint the top, bottom, and sides of your canvas if you like. I like to paint all the areas with the big brush, and then I go back in with the small brush like this. Remember, you can always turn your canvas around for hard to reach places. Next, we're going to fill in his face. So grab a clean brush, load it with white paint, and then fill in the big heart. Now, I like to go in with another coat of red paint to make it extra bright and even, but this step is completely optional. You don't have to do it. For our next step, we're going to paint a small pink heart inside the big white heart. This little heart is going to be Pinky's beak. It should go right in the center of his face. Let's take another look at our free traceable to see where Pinky's feet go. Notice that his feet are also upside down hearts. Dip a clean brush in black paint and add his feet. They also look like lowercase W's, don't they? Next, we need to add on Pinky's wings, which are also upside down hearts. Reload your brush with black paint and paint a long upside down heart on each side of his body. Now let's paint Pinky's eyes. I'm just going to paint 2 black circles above his beak. They're about the size of 2 shirt buttons, but you can paint your eyes any size or shape you like. If you have trouble making circles, ask an adult to help you trace 2 dimes or pennies, and then simply fill in the circles with black paint. Now, the next step is also optional, which means you don't have to do it. You can skip it if you like. But I'm going to paint a thin black line all the way around Pinky, like this. I'm also going to outline his face, beak, and balloon. But, like I said, it is perfectly fine to skip these steps. Next, we're going to paint the letters XOXO on Pinky's balloon. In case you didn't know, XOXO means hugs and kisses. Now, if you don't want your balloon to say that, you are welcome to paint anything you like on it. Next, we're going to paint on the balloon string. So just paint a wavy line from the balloon to Pinky's hand so it looks like he's holding it. Then I'm going to dip a thin liner brush in white paint and add a short curved line to the top left of the balloon to make it appear shiny. For the last step, dip the back of your paintbrush in white paint and gently press it inside the black part of Pinky's eye to make the pupil. Do the same thing on his other eye. Now you can stop there or add a second smaller dot to each eye, like this. And that's it, we're all done. See, you can paint anything as long as you break it down into simple steps. Now, make sure to download the free Traceable so you can paint your very own Pinky the Penguin at home.